So Costco is reporting earnings tomorrow, and I just wanted to go back to a post real quick that I saw back in December of 2023, where Meet Kevin was talking about Costco. Costco is embracing deflation, and he was saying that it's overvalued. And then I made a comment back in December 15th that it's not time to short it yet, um, and it's most likely going to follow the long super trend line, the red angle, right, going up right here all the way up to 850 or 880 since there's little resistance now, right? And let's open that chart, or maybe we can zoom in. Yeah. So we open that chart here, and we can see where price was. It was at 630 back then, right? And now I said it's going to go up to the arcs and see what happens, right? And possibly even 900 or so, and then a long trend down. So let's go to the chart today and see what's going to happen with Costco earnings. So now we have the Costco chart pulled up, and that's the same chart that I showed you with this 45-degree angle. And back then it was like in the 600s or something, and look at what price is now. It's finally getting above the first arcs, right? The first set of arcs. And this could be support now, back down around 794, 792 or something, before it goes like a magnet up to the 880s, right? And that's exactly what I said back in December when people were talking about shorting it, and this is just more proof how GAN can be reliable. So what really can happen after earnings? Well, let's find out. That we'll put on our Ichimoku. So we can see that it's 100% bullish here, and we can see that the conversion line is down here at 757. So if this arc ever were to lose support, then it would probably go back down and test the 750s. And worst case I ever see with this now, since this 45-degree angle right here looks like it is finally support, it could come back down to the baseline or wick back to the 45 sometime in the future, right? Down in the 700s. But since it's on the top side of the arc now and it's closing weekly candles above it, I really don't expect it to go lower now. I expect it to gravitate to the green line, to the 880s, like I mentioned in my December post, right? So I think good things are going to happen, right? And especially if this green angle or green arc holds, right? So worst case, back down to the angle. Best case, back up here. But either way, once it gets to 800 or maybe in the 900s, I think it's a great idea to start taking profits, as this is looking more and more like a big resistance zone, especially where the arc and the line meet. So even though there is more room to run, it's kind of running out of room. So don't get too greedy with this. If it gets up here, definitely take some profits.